So using the learning experience gap analysis, what you're going to see is why learners may not be doing what you need them to do. Now, if you're looking at your filled out template and you see that most of your gap really falls into that knowledge box, there's different resources that you can use. You can consider tools like job aids that are going to give people quick information kind of as a reference point for what you want them to accomplish. You could pair people up with mentors so that they kind of give them the ropes. You can host Q&A sessions. You can also host feedback sessions on what people's questions are. You can host a webinar with need to know information. And I kind of emphasize need to know because you want to put key information on slides. You want to make sure that learners have access to the manual if they want to dig in deeper. You want to give them the most basic, fundamental information they have to know in order to succeed at their goal. Keep in mind that for information to be helpful, it needs to be relevant. So make sure that you're answering questions that people have and that they really want to know. Going into a 35-page PDF on the history of the cash register may not be relevant to someone that just needs to know how to process a return. And you need to put information in small doses. Think of information like you would water. Standing people in front of a fire hose getting drenched isn't going to help them retain the information. Giving them information over the course of a couple of days so that people can actually process and digest and immediately implement in their job.